Space, vast, silent, and mysterious. But did you know space has a smell? That's right. Astronauts who have ventured beyond our atmosphere describe a unique scent lingering on their suits after a spacewalk. And no, it's not the fresh scent of the great outdoors. It's something far more intriguing. Many astronauts have reported that space smells like a mix of hot metal, seared steak, and welding fumes. But why? After all, space itself is a vacuum, and technically, it shouldn't have a smell at all. So what's really going on here? The answer lies in chemistry and physics. When astronauts step out into space, their suits are exposed to high-energy cosmic particles, oxygen, ozone-charged ions, and even traces of atomic oxygen. These particles interact with the material of the suit, creating complex chemical reactions. And when they return inside the space station, those lingering compounds produce an unusual aroma. Chris Hadfield, a renowned astronaut, once described the scent as a mix of burnt steak and hot metal. Others have compared it to welding fumes, gunpowder, or even charred meat. Sounds strange, right? But it all makes sense when we consider the intense radiation and energetic interactions happening in space. Here on Earth, we're surrounded by an atmosphere that absorbs and filters cosmic radiation. But in space, these high energy particles interact directly with astronauts and their equipment, producing compounds that we would never normally encounter on the ground. And those reactions don't just affect smell. They also impact materials, electronics, and even human biology. NASA and other space agencies study these effects closely, not just to understand the peculiar scent of space, but to protect astronauts from long-term exposure to cosmic radiation. Understanding these interactions helps engineers develop better spacesuits and materials for future missions. And speaking of the future, what about deep space travel? Will astronauts exploring Mars experience a different scent? Scientists believe that different planetary atmospheres, cosmic dust, and even soil compositions will create new and unique chemical reactions, possibly producing entirely new aromas. Imagine a future where Mars explorers describe the red planet scent as something completely unexpected. Could it be sulfuric? Metallic? Something we've never encountered before? The possibilities are endless. So, while you and I may never get to experience the scent of space firsthand, we can still marvel at the discoveries made by those who venture beyond our atmosphere. From burnt steak to metallic fumes, space holds mysteries that go beyond what we can see. It's a sensory experience waiting to be explored. The universe is full of mysteries. Keep exploring.